Okay, we can start the class now. Today, we are going to see that moments. See, in the last class, we have discussed about that measures of central tendency. No need to write, just listen. Measures of central tendency and the measures of dispersion. So, what is the measures of central tendency? Our interest to find that the central value of the observed data. Measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion means the scatterness of the data from center. Now, we are combining all the measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. Everything. We will combine all the things in the single word. That word is known as moments. It contains everything. Moments. It contains the measures of central tendency. It contains the measures of dispersion. And two more chapters are there: skewness and kurtosis. Even the skewness. Next chapter is skewness. Skewness is learning about the symmetry of the data. Symmetry from center. And then one more word is the kurtosis. Kurtosis, that means weakness of the data. Everything will be contained in the single word moment. First definition in moments: arc moment about the mean. Arc moment.
After skewness.
Kurtosis. 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 That means peakedness of the data. Within a single data, we are doing all the things. We can find the central value, we can find the scatteredness of the data, we can find the symmetry from the center, and then we can find the peakedness of the data. Everything is contained in the single topic moments. First one, the moment about the mean. It is denoted by, the moment about the mean is denoted by mu suffix r. Mu. You write u, put one line in front. That is mu. Mu suffix r. Mu suffix r. That is equal to summation of x minus x bar whole power r by n. Mu r equal to summation of x minus x bar whole power r by n, where x bar is mean. It is for the individual type data. This formula is for individual type data. For the discrete type data, mu r equal to summation of f into x minus x bar whole power r by summation of f. Or you can write as capital N also. Summation of f equal to N. That is for discrete type data. U are equal to summation of f into x minus x bar whole power r by summation of f. This is for the,
So,
yes,
so before kurtosis, what have you written that learning of symmetry from center?
skewness.
Skewness.
SKEWNISS. Skewness. Measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, skewness, kurtosis. Moments, the moments are don't write the pivot r. Use suffix r, summation of x minus x bar whole power r by n, where x bar is mean. Second one is for discrete data. It is for discrete data. For continuous type data, mu r equal to summation of f m minus x bar whole power r by summation of f, where m is the mid value. M is the mid value of the data. It is rth moment about the mean. Rth moment about the point A. Rth moment about the point A. It is denoted by mu r dash. That is, we have to give the different notation for moment about the mean and moment about the point. Moment about the mean is mu suffix r. Moment about the point is denoted by mu r dash. That is equal to summation of x minus a by r divided by n. See, moment about the mean is x minus x bar. Moment about the point is x minus a. One more is there. Moment about the origin. Rth moment about the origin. Rth moment about the origin. Can you tell me? That is mu r dash at a equal to 0. At a equal to 0. That will become as what you will get? Anybody?
Summation of x by n.
Summation of x power r by n. Correct. Summation of x power r by n. So here a equal to 0. Now it is for discrete data. It is for the individual type data. It is for individual type data. For the discrete type data, mu r dash equal to summation of f into x minus a whole power r by capital N. Similarly, for the rth moment about the origin is mu r dash at a equal to 0, which is equal to summation of x power r by n. For the continuous type data, fx x power r by n. Continuous type data, for the continuous type data, mu r dash equal to summation of f m minus a by r by n minus a whole power r by n. Similarly, moment about the origin mu r dash at a equal to 0 is equal to summation of fm power r by n. Moments has three types. One is moment about the mean, second one is moment about the origin, third one is moment about the point. Moment about the point. All are having the different notations. You have to remember the notation. Now we will discuss one by one. What is the relation between moment about the origin and moment about the mean, or moment about the point A? We will discuss one by one. Listen. Next topic, that is the definitions. Next topic is, can I rub the board? Completed, na?
So just a minute.
Okay. Totally 9 formulas are there for this. So we start with that moment about the mean. We start with the moment about the mean. First you write that moment about the mean, the heading. Moment about the mean heading. At r equal to 0. At r equal to 0. Mu 0 equal to what happened? X minus x bar whole power 0. Anything power 0 is
1.
So always mu 0 equal to 1 for any data, for any given data, mu 0 equal to 1 at r equal to 1. At r equal to 1, mu 1 equal to what happened? Summation of x minus x bar by n. So that is equal to summation of x by n, and then it is a constant. That n will not apply to this, no need. Directly we can write x bar. But the summation of x by n is also 0. Yesterday I have given one important note or property of the arithmetic mean. Yesterday I given this property. That means summation of x minus x bar, whatever the case of the data, when you are subtract this data with the mean, the summation should be equal to 0. Yesterday I have given this property. Mu
So
1
could you
equal to
please
0.
explain this once more?
That mu 1, yesterday I have given the note.
No, sir.
Whatever
Like
the,
when you started.
yeah, this one, mu 1 equal to 0. No,
No, sir, we understood that.
actually,
We didn't understand why x bar by n can be written as only x bar.
it is constant. It is constant. No need to apply that n here. Always, if you are writing that summation of x by n, no need to write that x bar by n. Directly we can write that x bar. It is a single value. It is not the single value. It is the summation of all the value. Then only we have to divide by n. It is the x bar is single value. So no need to write that. Directly we can write as x bar. It is not only for that x bar, for any type of constant value, no need to put the summation for this. The summation will not apply that. Directly we can write that x bar minus x bar equal to 0.
So in the case of r equal to 0, mu r equals to 1, and in the case of r equal to 1,
R
x
equal
bar,
to 0, mu 0 equal to 1. It is a standard
yeah,
results. It is a standard result. Mu 1
yes.
equal to 0, mu 0 equal to 1, mu 1 equal to 0. Always. Always,
So,
whatever the case.
so you have written x bar minus x bar equal to, okay.
Yeah, x bar minus x bar equal to 0.
Yeah.
Both are cancelled. Next one is when r equal to 2. When r equal to 2. When r equal to 2, what happens? Substituting r equal to 2 here, then mu2 equal to summation of x minus x bar whole square by n. Anybody, can you remember that formula? X minus x bar whole square by n. See that yesterday notes? Are you able to remember this
It's
formula?
root over mu,
Yes.
mu square,
Not mu.
sigma
Not mu
square,
square.
sigma
Sigma
square.
square. Yes. So it is the value of sigma square. So first zeroth moment about the mean is 1. First moment about the mean is 0. The second moment about the mean is variance. The second moment about the mean is variance. Write as note. The second moment about the mean is variance. About the mean is variance. Mu 3 equal to summation of x minus x bar whole cube by n and so on. Mu 4, mu 5, like that we can write. That is a moment about the mean. Next we move to that moment about the point. Mu 4, you can write that mu 4 also. Mu 4 is summation of x minus x bar whole power 4 by n. See, I am writing only for the individual type data. You have to extend that concept of discrete type and continuous type data. Already I have written that discrete type and continuous type data. I am writing only for the individual type data. So here also you can write that mu 0, mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4 you can write. Here also you can write that mu 0, mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4. Okay.
So we'll use the same formula, and for discrete type data, we'll just put F, and for individual continuous, we'll put M.
Yes. Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly, that is correct. Next one is the earth moment about the point A. Earth moment about the point A. The earth moment about the point A. See, earth, not earth moment. Simply write that moment about the point A. In the moment about point A, what is the notation? First one, when r equal to 0, what happened? When r equal to 0, mu 0 dash. Mu 0 dash, nothing will be changed. 1. Because anything power 0 is 1. So r equal to 0, mu 0 equal to 1. When r equal to 1, what happened? Mu 1 dash equal to summation of x minus a by n. Then once again the a is constant. Already written here, na? X bar is constant. Similarly, here a is constant. Apply the same property here. Summation of x by n minus a. So summation of x by n is x bar minus a is mu 1 dash. That means x bar is mu 1 dash plus a. Very important property. Mu 1 dash plus a. X bar equal to mu 1 dash plus a. It is important. Please, background, some noise is coming. Please mute your microphones. In case any question is there, then only we have to unmute. Please mute your microphones. So here, when r equal to 2.
Sir, can you read the last step, sir? X bar equal to?
Mu 1 dash plus a. X bar equal to, once again I write here. X bar equal to mu 1 dash plus a. X bar equal to mu 1 dash plus a. Now, we move to that r equal to 2. When r equal to 2, very simple, summation of mu 2 equal to, mu 2 dash equal to summation of x minus a whole square by n. Similarly, mu 3 dash equal to summation of x minus a whole cube by n. Mu 4 dash equal to summation of x minus a whole power 4 by n. Please keep it in mind, all this formula for individual type data. Okay. That is no need to write every time for the discrete type data and continuous type data. You can extend the idea for this. So next we go to that moment about the origin. Moment about the origin. Moment about the origin is moment about the origin. That is, in case if you are substituting that mu 0 dash at a equal to 0. Every time no need to write that a equal to 0, a equal to 0. Okay. That is for your reference only I am writing that a equal to 0. Even a moment about the origin also you can use the same notation. That is not the problem. You can use the same notation. For your understanding I am writing that every time a equal to 0. So here mu 0 dash a equal to 0, that is equal to 1. Is it not? That will not change. And then mu 1 dash. Mu 1 dash at a equal to 0, that is equal to what? Summation of x by n. So the first moment about the origin, is mean. Second moment about the mean is variance, is it not? Second moment about the variance is mean. Second moment about the mean is variance. First moment about the origin is mean. Similarly, mu2 dash at a equal to 0, that is equal to summation of x square by n. Mu3 dash at a equal to 0 is equal to summation of x cube by n. Mu4 dash at the origin, summation of x power 4 by n, and so on. Now we go to the next step, the relation between moment about the origin and the moment about the mean. The relation between moment about the origin and the moment about the mean. The relation between moment about the origin and moment about the mean. Write in the bracket, it is also applicable for moment about the point A. Write in the bracket, this formula is also applicable for moment about the point A when r greater than or equal to 2. The same formula is applicable for moment about the point A for r greater than or equal to 2. So how to find the relation between that moment about the point and the moment about the mean, or moment about the origin and moment about the mean? Listen, here first I take that moment about the mean, summation of x minus x bar whole power r by n. That is equal to summation. Anybody, can you tell me that what is that? A minus b whole power n. Bernoulli's binomial expansion. Anybody? A minus b whole power n. They are not able to remember that. Binomial expansion. See, it is the base of that. It is based on only all the expansion we are writing. See, even a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole power 4, everything based on this expansion only. Okay, so here I can write that a minus b whole power n is a power n minus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square minus nc3 alternately minus plus nc3 a power n minus 3 b cube plus etc. This is the binomial expansion. By using that binomial expansion, we can write this as, write that summation outside and then divided by n outside, then write that x power n minus, that is we are writing mu r na, so x power r minus ncr x power r minus 1 into x bar plus, not ncr actually, nc1, sorry, not n should not come, rc1 rc2 RC2 x power r minus 2 x bar square plus RC3 plus RC3. Everything in the numerator, only denominator is divided by n. Even we can divided by n, we can write here. RC3 x power r minus 3 x bar cube plus minus RC4 x power r minus 4 x bar power 4 plus etc. n. This is the binomial expansion for this. So apply the summation inside, you will get that you know that even if you applying here also you will get the same thing. Mu 0 equal to 0, mu 1 equal to mu 0 equal to 1, mu 1 equal
You
to
explain this
this.
expansion
Yes, yes.
once. The expansion of x minus
Name.
x whole r. This expansion.
Binomial expansion. Binomial expansion. X power r minus RC1 x power r minus 1 x bar plus RC2 x power r minus 2 x bar square plus sorry, actually it is spelled plus is there, na? One mistake.
Yes, sir.
Minus plus here. Alternately minus plus.
Yes.
Alternately minus plus. So here minus. Okay, now mu 0 equal to 1, mu 1 equal to 0. Then if you substituting that mu 2, what happened? Mu 2 equal to, now see that summation of x square minus r equal to 2c1 x power r minus 1, r equal to 1. So x power 1 minus 1, sorry, 2 na, 2 minus 1, 1 x into x bar, then plus 2c2 x power r minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, that is 1. So x bar square should be there. X bar square whole divided by n.
So can you read it again? Mu2.
Which one? mu2 equal to summation of x square. First you have to substitute r equal to 2 here. So x square minus r equal to 2 na, 2c1 x power 2 minus 1 x bar plus 2c2 x power r minus 2, that means 2 minus 2, what happened? 0. X power 0 is 1, x bar square is there. Then afterwards no need, because 2c3, 2c4 are not able to find. Only up to we can find that NCN. Okay, so here if you are applying that, we will get, I am writing here. I am writing here. See, apply the summation inside that bracket, we will get that. No need to apply for x bar. Once again I am telling, no need to apply for x bar. X bar is the remaining thing. That means you have to write that x bar only. So summation of x square by n. Summation of x square by n. Yes.
So for mu2, it's RC2 x to the power r minus 2. So if r equals to 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So x to the power 0, won't it be 1? So
Here.
it will be 2c1 x bar.
2c1 x. Here. 2 minus 1 na. 2 minus 1
So
x.
2
X bar. X bar.
Yes, sir.
Second one is 2c2. 2c2.
Yes, sir.
X power 2 minus 2. 2 minus
So that
2
is
is 0.
0.
0.
X to the
X
power
power
0
what is x power 0 is what? 1.
Yes, sir.
X power 0 is 1. Then remaining is x bar square is there. That x bar square only I am writing. Otherwise you can write here into multiplication with 1. So summation of x square by n minus 2. Keep it outside. C1, 2C1. 2C1 is 2 only. 2C1 value is 2. 2C1 is 2. So, summation of x is remaining now. X bar leave it. Keep it that x bar. Summation apply only for x. So, summation of x by n. 2 summation of x by n into x bar plus 2 already. 2C2 what? 2C2 is 1. 2C2 value is 1. So 1 into only x bar square is there. X bar square. That summation will not apply for because x bar is when x bar is constant. When x bar is constant, x bar square also constant. X bar square also constant. Keep it in. You can write as note. Summation of x bar is x bar only. Now, summation of x square by n minus 2 summation of x by n. 2, what is summation of x by n? Summation of x by n is x bar into x bar plus x bar square. So, that is summation of x square by n minus 2 times x bar. X bar into x bar is x bar square plus x bar square. So, summation of x square by n minus x bar square, that is mu 2. But we can write as x bar. You can see that x bar as mu 1 dash at a equal to 0. You can see that right moment about the origin. See the moment about the origin. The first moment about the origin is mean. The first moment about the origin is mean. So we can write as summation of x square by n minus mu 1 dash at a equal to 0. So this one is mu 2 dash. This is mu 2 dash at a equal to 0 minus mu 1 dash at a equal to 0. Mu 1 dash whole square. Mu 1 dash at a equal to 0 whole square. Simply we can write this as, every time no need to write a equal to 0, a equal to 0. Simply we can write in general mu 2 equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. I am writing here.
So could you please explain this part again?
Which one?
So how did you get that last formula?
Yes, so the last mu,
That's
mu dash.
right. This you can understand. Summation of x square by n is what? Mu 2 dash. You see the formula at the moment about the origin. See the last page. Mu 2 dash at a equal to 0 is summation of x square by n. Is it not? Summation of x square by n is the second moment about the origin.
So that's equal to mu 2, right? That whole formula.
Yeah, the whole formula is mu 2. Mu 2 is mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. It is a variance. It is a variance. This is a one more formula for variance. Yesterday I have written sigma square equal to, one more formula I have written, sigma square equal to summation of x square by n minus summation of x by n whole square. One more formula I have written on yesterday. The same thing. The same thing. Both are same. Similarly, the third moment about the mean in terms of the moment about the origin. Listen, you can write as note whether it may be that moment about the point or moment about the origin, the formula is same. I have written in the bracket For r greater than or equal to 2, it is same thing for that moment about the mean in terms of moment about the origin or moment about the mean in terms of moment about the point are same. When r equal to 1, it is not same. When r equal to 1, it is not same. It is a different formula. That is x bar equal to mu1 dash plus a. Both are different. When the
So,
moment about, yes,
so could you please explain once more the part x bar equals to mu1 dash where a equals to 0, that part? And then you went to mu2 dash equals to 0 minus mu1 dash equals to a.
this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, summation of x square by n. You see that the moment about the origin. Moment about the origin. What is the moment about the origin? Mu r dash. Mu r dash at a equal to 0. That is equal to summation of x power r by n. Substituting that r equal to 2 here, mu2 dash at a equal to 0. That is equal to summation of x square by n. So what is summation of x
Yes.
square by n?
Mu2
Summation
dash.
of x square. Mu2 dash at a equal to 0. The same thing. For x bar square, what is x bar? X bar is mu1 dash at a equal to 0. That is summation of x by n, that is x bar.
Okay.
So what is x bar square? X bar is mu1 dash at a equal to 0. So squaring that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Fine. The third one, third moment about the mean in terms of moment about the origin or the moment about the point A. The third moment about the origin, in terms of moment, the third moment about the mean in terms of moment about the origin or the moment about the point A. That is mu3 equal to mu3 dash minus, directly I am writing, I skip the step. You have to apply the formula, you have to apply in the formula because time is very less. We need to go for the problem. Mu3 equal to mu3 dash minus 2 minus 3 mu2 dash into mu1 dash plus mu1 dash whole cube.
So could you repeat the statement you said, the third moment?
Third moment about the mean in terms of moment about the origin or the moment about the point A. Even the problem is given the moment about the origin or moment about the point A, both are same. In case they are given that moment about the point A, you write mu3 dash, mu2 dash, mu1 dash, that means they will given the point. In case they are given that moment about the origin or moment about the point A, you can use the same formula. No need to change. Only to find the mean, we have to apply the different formula. For mu2, mu3, mu4, we will use the same formula. Similarly, mu4 equal to, listen, I have written one expansion there, binomial expansion. Based on binomial expansion only, I am applying that r equal to 2, r equal to 3, r equal to 4. There is lack of time, that's why I directly write that here. Mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash into mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash into mu1 dash whole square minus 3 mu1 dash whole power 4. So what are the formulas we are getting? Summarize: mu1 equal to 0, sorry, mu 0, yeah, mu 1 equal to 0, mu 0 equal to 1, mu 2 equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square, mu 3 equal to this one, mu 4 equal to this one. You have to remember all the formula. Any Zoom problem occur in the class? Any Zoom problem?
No, sir.
No, okay, thank you. Because hereafter I will take only that front camera. And what about the visibility of the camera? Clarity?
Okay, sir.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, problems. The first four moments about the value, the first four moments about the value 10, the first four moments about the value 10 are 1, 4, 10 and 46. 1, 4, 10 and 46 respectively. Find the first four moments. Find the first four moments about the mean. Find the first four moments about the mean and also compute average. And also compute average. I repeat the question. The first four moments about the point 10 are 1, 4, 10 and 46 respectively. Compute the first four moments about the mean. Also find the average value. First four moments. Write the answer for this. First four moments about the point 10. mu1 dash equal to 1, mu2 dash 4, mu3 dash 10, mu4 dash 46. Therefore, four moments about the mean. Four moments about the mean. 4 moments about the mean. It is denoted by mu1. What is mu1 value? 0.
0.
For all the problem mu1 equal to 0. Write down mu2 equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. 4 minus 1, 3. Mu3 equal to mu3 dash, formula is there. mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash into mu1 dash plus mu1 dash whole cube. mu3 dash 10 minus 3 into 4 1 plus 1 minus 1. No. 2 na? That's 1.
No, sir, -1.
-2, sir.
Okay, okay. Just
Minus
wait. My just wait. One correction is there. Sorry, mu3 dash is small correction plus 2 mu1 dash whole square, because I write that I didn't solve that, so I made the mistake. The other things are correct. 2 2 should be there. So plus 2 0. Sorry. Mu4 dash equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash into mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash into mu1 dash whole cube mu1 dash whole square minus 3 mu1 dash whole power 4. (46) minus 4 10 into 1 plus 6 into 4 into 1, that is equal to
27, sir.
Mean value. Finally, we have to compute mean. How to compute mean? I have given the formula. Mu equal to mu1 dash, or that means x bar. X bar equal to mu1 dash plus a. So mu1 dash is 1 plus 10, 11. Yes. Any
Sir,
doubt is there? Yes.
mu dash for 30.
Yes, sir, how is it coming to
30,
27?
sir.
According to the formula, it's 30.
30, sir.
Yes, sir, it's 30.
Yes, sir.
No. Last
It's a
one value is here.
-3, sir.
Minus 3 mu1 dash whole power 4. I didn't write that. Sorry. Minus 3 mu1 dash whole power 4 should be there. I may be written here. Yeah, I written here, but I strike out now. Minus 3 mu1 dash whole power 4 should be there. That is correct only. 27 is correct. But please calculate this. Minus 3 mu1 dash whole power 4.
Yes, sir,
Actually,
now
I
it's
have written
fine.
there. Okay. See, actually, I have written in the beginning, but afterwards I cut it. That means I roughed that. Okay. Find the first 4 central moments. Find the first 4 central moments for the following data. Find the first 4 central moments for the following data. Find the first 4 central moments for the following data. X, F. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Eight. Frequencies are 1, 8, 28, 56, 70, 56, 28, 56, 28, 8, 1. In the first 4 central moment, directly you can write that mu1 equal to 0. You have to write mu2, mu3, mu4. So for that, what are the formulas for this? Mu r equal to summation of f x minus x bar central moment. Sorry, I didn't write that. Write as note. Note, the moment about the mean is also known as central moment. Central moment. Write the note. The moment about the mean is known as central moment. The moment about the point or the moment about the origin is called raw moment. Raw moments. The moment about the point or moment about the origin is called raw moments. The moment about the mean is called central moment. The moment about the point or moment about the origin is called raw moments. So summation of f into x minus x bar whole power r divided by summation of f. So what are the values you have to write? First one x, second one f, third one is x minus x bar, fourth one is x minus x bar whole square. You have to multiple, na? Directly we can write that. First you have to find x bar. Summation of fx by summation of f. So that is the first step. First step is you have to find x bar value. Afterwards, after finding that f, directly we can write that because we have to multiple with f now. F x minus x bar, f x minus x bar whole square, f x minus x bar whole cube, f x minus x bar whole power 4. So here you have to calculate summation of f. Summation of f. Then calculate this value. Anyway, that will be equal to 0. Then f into x minus x bar whole square, find the summation. Then divided by whatever you get the summation, divided by the summation of f is mu2. Then find that x minus x bar whole cube, find the summation here, that f into x minus x bar whole cube by summation of f is mu3. Similarly, find that f into x minus x bar whole power 4, find the summation of x minus x bar, summation of f into x minus x bar whole power 4 by summation of f, that you will get that mu4. That is the first 4 moments about the mean or first 4 central moment. First 4 central moment. It is a discrete type data. There is, in case the data is given in the continuous, the data is given as continuous type data, you have to change it. Instead of x, you have to write m here. Everywhere you have to write m. Okay, that is the difference. Nothing else.